This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to read legal judgments. First, always identify the plaintiff and defendant to understand who initiated the action. Next, note the court that issued the judgment and the date it was rendered. This provides crucial context. Then, review the procedural history to see how the case progressed through the legal system before reaching this point. This initial overview sets the stage for a deeper dive into the legal reasoning and outcome. Once you have the basics, move to the facts section, which outlines the events leading to the dispute. This is essential for grasping the context of the legal arguments. Then, pinpoint the specific legal issues or questions the court was asked to decide. Finally, carefully read the court's reasoning, where it applies legal principles to the facts and explains its decision. This section is the core of the judgment. After understanding the reasoning, identify the court's final holding or ruling, which states the outcome of the case. Pay attention to any dissenting or concurring opinions, as they offer alternative perspectives or additional insights. These can be valuable for understanding potential future legal developments. Lastly, think about the broader legal implications of the judgment, considering how it might influence similar cases or legal interpretations moving forward. To enhance your understanding, always keep a legal dictionary handy for any unfamiliar terms you encounter. Outlining the judgment structure and key points can also significantly improve your comprehension and retention of the material. Remember, practice makes perfect when reading these complex documents. Also, for more great content and deals, including a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the description below this video. It's a fantastic way to bring smart technology into your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.